As you see, it shows our main control screen, and we have manual mode, automatic mode, and recipes management. Empty grouping, which is for the same food, but cooking in a different time, and auto washing, and my favorite recipe, and start timer, which is using the oven, which for overnight cooking, and the menus and the user settings. This combi oven is suitable for commercial using, such as catering, and restaurants. Our combi ovens equip needle function. So as you see, here's a needle, and how to setting. From here, you will see a clock here, and press the clock, you will see the needle, and it shows that the needle temperature is 64 degrees. Let's say we cook turkey and steak. We can use the needle plug in, and then there are four temperature sensors to showing you the lowest temperature on the screen.